ngayon, nagpasyal-pasyal. Guys, to all YouTuber, vlogger, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ito na si Ate Rose. Hey, hey, hey. Ang init-init dito, ang kalabaw. Ito guys, ang kalabaw guys. Lumulusaw na sa sapa ang kalabaw. Guys, swimming si kalabaw. Yap, 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 yap. Nice guys. This is the river of my fish province of Cebu. Yes, yes, enjoy. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Enjoy, enjoy. Ang init-init dito. Yes, guys. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Vlogger. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Thank you, thank you. Please, please visit my channel. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you want to visit this area, you can visit here. Nice place, you say. More equipment for making cement of the area. Sila gumawa ng mga kalsada. May mga kahoy dito at saka mga farm. Enjoy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.